Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, and a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Shah Mein Gana, episode number 294. November 19th is observed as a global day where we celebrate it as International Men's Day because we celebrate men for their contributions in the society, at work, in the community, and in the family. So today's episode is dedicated to all the men out there because all the singers in today's episode are men. So without any further ado, I want to bring in the artist with a quick introduction of each of them. So let's introduce Didi.
Namaste Srini ji. Namaste Tushar ji. I'm Didi and I live in New Jersey. Um, Singing is just a passion for me. I'm a program manager with Johnson& Johnson and I run my own business. Thank you, Srini ji.
Okay, awesome. Markhand, Makaranand, sorry.
Yes, namaste everyone. I'm Makran Pandey. I'm a pharmacist by profession. Singing is my passion too, and I love really to listen and sing both. I work as a pharmacist and working in the safety as a pharmacovigilance, for safety data analyst.
Awesome, very nice. So last but not least, Nihar.
Namaskar and good evening and good morning, everyone. First of all, I'm truly delighted to be part of this historic program. For those who don't know me, my name is Nihar Parida. I live actually I live in Manalapan, New Jersey, with my wonderful wife and my beautiful daughter. And music is not my profession, but it's like my passion always. And thanks for having me here.
Awesome.
Namaste.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you, Makaranand and Nihar. So just to give you a quick overview of today's program, we'll have 3 rounds as usual. Round 1, we'll have 1 song each by all the 3 singers. And then in round 2, we'll have 2 songs each by each of the singers. And in round 3, again, 1 song each. But in between, we'll just have a Q&A with each of the singers. We'll try to get to know more about their hobbies, what else they do other than working, singing. And let's गुफ्तगू उनका परिचय जारी रखते हैं. तो शाम गाना गाना सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So let's move on quickly to Didi and hear his first song.
Thank you, Srini. Thank you very much. जानम देख लो मिट गए दूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ देख लो मिट गए दूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ जानम देख लो मिट गए दूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ मैं अब तुम्हारे ख्यालों में हूँ, मैं जवाबों में हूँ, मैं सवालों में हूँ। मैं तुम्हारे हर एक ख्वाब में हूँ बसा, मैं तुम्हारी नजर के उजालों में हूँ। देखती हो मुझे, देखते हो जहाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। देख लो मिट गए दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ। कैसे सरहदे, कैसी मजबूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ। मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful. What a beautiful beginning of the evening. Wonderful composition by Madanji originally from the movie Veer Zara from 2004. One of the iconic movies starred by Shah Rukh and Preeti Zinta. As the song itself says, Ishq mein sarhade nahi hoti. There are no barriers in the love. So, and this song, I think it's in Rag Yaman, and Rag Yaman complemented this song with its emotional depth and purity of the lyrics. The lyrics were penned by Javed Akhtarji, and as I said, the composition was from the legendary Madanji, but again it was revived by Sanjay Kohli, and singers were Lataji and Uditji. So that was a wonderful, I think, beginning of the evening. Thanks, Didi, for bringing this wonderful selection and kicking off the evening with this beautiful song. So let's move on to Makarand.
Namaste everyone, and thank you for joining. This is my first experience with all of you, and I'm very delighted and excited. Thank you. I'm going to present Kishore Kumar's song Mere Naina Savan Bhadu. It's in Shivaranjani Raga. I'll try to do my justice.
सावन अनिल चौहान कराओके जगत में आपका
Wonderful, wonderful. A beautiful composition and equally wonderfully you have sung, Makaran.
Thank you.
This wonderful composition by none other than Adi Burman from movie Mehbooba.
Mehbooba.
It's been 5 decades and still the song is so evergreen and we all sing pretty much in every other event because as Makarand mentioned, the minor notes of Rag Shivranjani has been utilized in such a way that gives the beauty for this song. And Shakti Samant's, this was the 6th movie after hits like Amar Prem. So this was a movie from 1976. I think most of the movie scenes were from the Mysore Palace, where you see all that royal backdrops, the Darbar Hall. And it was shot by on Rajesh Khanna and Hema Malini ji. And of course, the voice was given by our iconic, legendary Kishore Da. And today, Makarand did a wonderful job, wonderful justice to this song with the soul in it, and he has really justified and did justice to it. Thank you so much, Makarand. Hang in there, we'll come back to you. Let's move on to Nihar.
Namaste. So this song is close to my heart, and I hope it touches your hearts too. न जाने क्यों दिल से ये आवाज आई, मिलन से है बढ़ के तुम्हारी जुदाई, ये आँखों के आंसू न कहलाते मोती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते। हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते। हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते। तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है से बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे, तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है से बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे, दिखाई न देती अंधेरों में ज्योति, अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते, हमें और जीने की चाहत ना होती। अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते। हमें जो तुम्हारा सहारा न मिलता, भंवर में ही रहते किनारा न मिलता। हमें जो तुम्हारा सहारा न मिलता, भंवर में ही रहते किनारा न मिलता। किनारे पे भी तो लहरा डूबोती। अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते, हमें और जीने की चाहत ना होती। अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते।
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. अगर
थैंक यू।
आप ना होते निहर, शायद ये फर्स्ट राउंड इतना खूबसूरत नहीं होता शायद। तो it was wonderful, wonderfully sung with heart and soul. Uh, what a composition! One more in a row in Rag Shivranjani. Um, again, the combination Kishore Da, R.D. Burman, and Rajesh Khanna. So this was the movie itself was called Agar Tum Na Hote from 1983. I think this was one of the 3 super hit movies of that year. And this movie gave a return of stardom for Rajesh Khanna. I mean, though he was a superstar in 70s, I think this movie again gave him opened up for more avenues because which was such a wonderful story. It was a triangular love story between Rekha, Rajesh Khanna, and Raj Babbar. And the lyrics were penned by Gulshan Bavra. I think for his lyrics, I think he was nominated for the Best Lyricist Award. And of course, Kishore Da was given a Best Singer Award for this song. So net, a wonderful movie, wonderful composition, wonderful song, and wonderfully sung by Nihar. So that brings us to the end of first round. So before moving on to the second round, let's do a quick Q&A to know a little bit more about our artist today. So let's bring back Didi onto the screen again. Hi, Didi.
Hi, Srini.
Yeah, hi. So our viewers want to know more about you, like other than singing, how do you celebrate your weekends, your free time? What makes you happy? I know singing, it's sure, of course, you're here. Other than singing, what other things make you happy in life?
People make me happy.
Oh, wow.
Being
So
around
people specific.
people is like energy to me.
Oh,
And
wonderful.
other good thing is cooking. Cooking is a de-stress for me. When I'm too much of stress, I just say that okay, let me go and cook anything what is available, and my kids love it. I like to cook and present it properly. So
Okay. What
that's
do you
my
cook? What do you cook? What are you best at? What's your best dish ever?
okay. In Italian, if I do have to do, I do the creamy cheese garlic chicken, which is very famous from Olive Garden.
Wow.
And that's
Delicacies. So you're not a cook, you're a chef now because
the one.
you cook delicacies. Wow.
Okay.
I thought you will say chicken or chicken biryani, but you said no, it's something Italian. Wow.
Yeah, I do chicken biryani. I mean, I do mutton biryani, but
But you didn't mention them. You said like, what's the best? You said like, I'm good at
when
this.
you said best, I said that's the one because it's a creamy garlic chicken, and my
Okay.
kids love it the way I put it. I present it with asparagus and
Okay.
some I mean, mashed potatoes. So they love it. So that's one thing I do.
Okay. So for next year's
Thanksgiving.
International Men's Day, I think we should bring you along with your the best dish uh,
Absolutely.
and talk more about that.
Absolutely.
So wonderful, wonderful. So men singing, cooking, I think that's it. You can live long. That's what I can say. So uh, yeah, what's in the store for this round? What do you want to sing?
So I'm singing this is I think a round where we have two songs. You could figure out Rag Yaman. I'm closing Rag Yaman, but
Mhm.
right now I'm singing a song from Naraz movie.
Okay.
It's a song called Sambala Hai Maine Bahut Apne
Wonderful,
Dil Ko.
wonderful, wonderful.
That's the one coming right now, and then after that I'm changing the track drastically. Fast
Yeah,
forward.
we don't want to disclose that yet. Let's
Okay.
one song at a time,
Thank you.
let's
Thank you.
give it as a piecemeal because we want to create that enthusiasm and curiosity, right? So we don't want to disclose what each singer is going to sing. So let's do one at a time. So now Naraz by Didi. Go for it.
संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को जुबां पर तेरा फिर भी नाम आ रहा है जहां राज को छुपाया न जाए जहां राज को छुपाया न जाए मोहब्बत में ऐसा मजा आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को जुबां पर तेरा फिर भी नाम आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को होश बाकी नजर यूं बिखर के लगी है कि जैसे नजर यूं बहकने लगी है कि जैसे मेरे सामने कोई जाम आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को जुबां पर तेरा फिर भी नाम आ रहा है जहां रात को छुपाया न जाए मोहब्बत में ऐसा काम आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को ये जुल्फों के बादल घनेरे घनेरे मेरे बाजुओं पर जो तूने बिखेरे ये जुल्फों के बादल घनेरे घनेरे मेरे बाजुओं पर जो तूने बिखेरे मेरे बाजुओं पर जो तूने बिखेरे मैं समझा के जैसे मेरी धड़कनों को मैं समझा के जैसे मेरी धड़कनों को तेरी धड़कनों का प्याम आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को जुबां पर तेरा फिर भी नाम आ रहा है जहां राज को छुपाया न जाए मोहब्बत में ऐसा मकाम आ रहा है संभाला है मैंने बहुत अपने दिल को Thank you very much, sir.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Brilliant. Wonderful, wonderful choice, wonderful singing. A very, very melodious song. I love it. By none other than Shanuda, Kumar Shanu.
Sanuda. Right, this is right name. They changed to Kumar Shanu because of the stereotype of becoming in a Bengali coming to Bombay. At that time, they were trying to reject them. Thank you.
Shanuda, Shanuda. So, yeah, Shanuda from the movie Naraz from 1994. Again, the movie But, Pooja Bhatt, Mahesh Bhatt, Mukesh Bhatt. So that was this movie all about. But this particular song was picturized on Atul Agnihotri and Sonali Bendre. Again, the music was composed by Anu Malik and the lyrics by Katil Shifai. So, Nut, a beautiful song, wonderful selection. And thanks for bringing this, Didi, in this round. So before moving on to your second song, so as I said at the beginning, this we are observing International Men's Day, November 19th, and this episode we're dedicating to all the men out there. So, do you have anything in life where you felt very proud by doing a right thing?
Doing the right thing, being a man.
Yeah.
I always say, man is also a father, a son, a brother. Men has always been underrated compared to mother.
Yes.
People always see mother holding a baby and protecting, but they forget below mother, father is actually carrying the mother. So I feel that whatever I do for my family, whatever I do, I'm very proud of that. First thing is, in our life, without men, there is nothing, but without women, there is no man. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very, very well summarized it. I liked it. Nice. Like as Didi said, like we always overlook men on what they do and what they contribute to the family, to the society, to the everywhere, and all the positivity they bring, we usually tend to ignore. But I think that's one of the reason. I mean, there are a lot of mental health issues. There are a lot of well-being issues which men do have, but we always don't address them. I think that's the reason whoever has come up with this global day of International Men's Day to address those, to talk about men, to talk about the issues of men, and also talk about their positivity, their contribution to the society, what all they do to the family. So all these things, I think this is one day an opportunity to reflect on what men do. So with that, let's move on to our second song in the second round by Didi. Didi, what's in the store? Only one song again. We're not talking about more.
Yeah, we're only, I love that. Thank you so much. I love that. So this is a song about from the movie Three Idiots. So this is a song for every that friend. We all had one in our life.
Wow.
Without whom यार वो होता जो प्यार नहीं करता, यार वो होता जो गाली देता, right? So even after 20 years you connect with him, the word starts with that, right? So this is for those friends of mine, my school friends. Yep. Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome. Go ahead.
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें ही चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, चुके हमारे दिल
सुलगती धूप में छाव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा आओ। हम सहने से रहते कुएं में, वो नदियाँ में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, प्यार हमारा था वो, कहा गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें ही चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, फिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहा गया उसे ढूंढो।
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Sri.
Beautiful. Very difficult song, and you did wonderful. Thank you so much, Didi.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, so as we heard, there was a hint of Rag Pahadi in the song. And the breeze of the song and the Rag, the Pahadi, like you just like Jumte Raho. So that kind of thing is there in this song. Behti Hawa, and the song is also like a breeze, it is flowing. And that's where this song is based on Rag Pahadi from movie Three Idiots. And those who are those three idiots, as you all know, Amir Khan, Madhavan, and Harman Joshi from 2009. One of the super hit movie. I think it won multiple awards. And this song was sung by Shan, and music was composed by Shantanu Moitra, and lyrics by Swanand Kirkire. And Vidhu Vinod Chopra's movie, and then Rajkumar Hirani directed this. So a wonderful plot, a wonderful movie. It talks about Indian education system and created humor out of it, and there's a lot built around that, and a wonderful, wonderful movie and a beautiful song. Thank you so much, Didi, for selecting this. And that so hang in there. We'll come back to you with more questions. We want to know what are other dishes you cook, because you talk about food. I think this is the dinner time. I think we need to talk more about that on
Sure.
Friday.
Thank you.
Right. So sure. So thank you so much for both of your songs, and let's move on to Makarand. Makarand. Okay, so what's going on with you? What makes you happy? Today is your first show. How happy or excited, nervous you are in this show today?
I'm really delighted and grateful to all of you and the Tushar Bhai as well, giving me an opportunity and the platform. Uh, anyway, the music and singing is my passion, but platform and we have three idiots here, three of us, right?
No, those three idiots were very intelligent and smart too.
Oh, well, one of them
we
maybe
can't
not
discount
smart
that.
like me, but
So wonderful, wonderful, very, very nicely said. So yeah, other than singing, what else you do? I mean, like I know Didi does is a chef. He's not a cook, but what's with you other than men or into sports, uh, singing, sports for the most part, and work. I think these are the thing. I think across the board. I think sports and work and some sing also. So other than this, anything else interesting you want to share about
yes,
yourself?
I would like to share what I do and what I've been doing for a long time. So I am a heartfulness meditation trainer. So I give sessions, meditation sessions, and help people to get more balance and having calm and clarity. So we have this Heartfulness Institute, and I am the trainer since 2006 for conducting all these sessions. We don't charge anything for any meditation session, so it's free of charge. But I do like to meditate, go in and be at peace with yourself and surrounding also. And if somebody is interested, we also help them. That's my passion.
वेरी नाइस, धन्य हो। वो आपके चेहरे पे नजर आता है वो शांति। डेफिनेटली आई थिंक वो मेडिटेशन आपके चेहरे के चारों तरफ फुट फुट के कह रहा है कि मतलब there's so much of peace in you, and doing that unconditional service to the community is really, really nice. That if not anything, I think everybody should do meditation with a rapidly changing, stressful world, what we are living in right now. I think everybody should practice meditation. I hope, Makarand, you will spread this word and then bring peace and that shanti into everybody's face. And सभी के चेहरे जो मायूस है उनमें फ्रेशनेस आएगी, आशा करते हैं। तो what is the song you have in this round?
So this next song I'm going to sing is Ehsaan Tera Hoga Mujh Par. It's a very iconic song, challenging song as well. But I like, while growing up, I used to like this song, listen a lot, and never thought that I'll sing one day, like, this platform. But
चलिए आप हम पे एहसान कीजिए फिर गाना गाकर।
thank you.
चलिए।
एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है कहने को मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। के कहेगी आप सनम ये दर्द सहने दो मुझे हो गई है पलकों की छाँव रहने दो एहसान मेरा होगा मुझ पर
Beautiful, beautiful,
Thank you.
wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for picking such a iconic song. It's like what, 1961, the movie Jungli, and now we are in 2025, almost like close to 7 decades, and we are still singing that song. So that's what those lyrics, those compositions were evergreen. And you have done a beautiful justice to that song, where Rafi Saab, I think every word, the ucharan was so soulful, so depth. And if you don't sing with that deep feeling, this song doesn't sound as it sounds. Thank you so much once again for picking this song, the song from Jungli movie, Rafi Saab, music composed by Shankar J. Kishan, lyrics by Shailendra. The movie, all in all, the direction, story, producer, everybody, Subodh Mukherjee. And this movie brought a lot of name and fame for Shami Kapoor, especially this song, because everybody, the way he enacted in the song, because he always looks very kind of a naughty type, but in this song he plays that real romance and asking, will you marry me kind of a situation with this song. He really did beautiful in this song. And next to him was Saira Banu. So with that combination, this movie, this song, evergreen. And thanks, Makarand, for selecting that song.
Thank you.
So before moving on to your second song, so since we did talk about International Men's Day, and it just happened on Wednesday, why don't we touch upon that topic? So what do you think, like in the society, is there anything we don't notice about men? The society doesn't notice about men. Is there anything you observe?
Yes, I would like to read just two lines about it, and that was the thing which I felt that it was most misunderstood thing about men today.
Okay.
So, in my view, is that vulnerability or emotional openness is
Your voice is coming pretty low.
Oh, is it okay now?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
So, the most misunderstood thing about men today, what I feel, according to, in my view, is that vulnerability or emotional openness is seen as weakness rather than the strength.
Wow.
So,
Very well said. Very well said. Yeah, I think across the board, especially if not in this country, I think back where we all come from, I think there that's looked upon as definitely a weakness, and that stereotype, I think we should definitely break through that, and that's where men have to come out, speak up, and be what they are, and if there's anything which need to be shared and improvised, or if something we need to bring a change in the society, the perspective, I think men have to step up and do it. And I think that's where this, so quote unquote International Men's Day says that this is an opportunity for you to speak up and bring the change, and unless you speak, change won't happen, right? So definitely, I think it's very important point you touched upon. Thank you for that.
thank you.
Yeah, with that, we'll come back to you with more questions, but let's move on to your song number 2.
So second song is also very popular, maybe many times sung. It's a Moha Moha Ke Dhage, but it's a male version. So I'm going to try that today.
Sure.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Very nicely done, Makarand. What a composition, what a song. Which one, like both the male version and the female version, Papon and Monali Thakur, both won awards for this special song. I think it has a shades of Rag Kamaj. Wonderful lyrics, wonderful composition from movie Dam Laga Ke Haisa from 2015. Anshuman Khurana and Bhumi Petnekar, I think she is a debut in this film. Apparently, she has to put on so much weight for that character in this movie, and the entire movie was shot in the twin temple towns, Haridwar and Rishikesh. It's so beautiful to watch that movie, the real Galiyan and everything like Rishikesh and Haridwar. You get that holiness in that movie as much as you're watching. The plot itself was so beautiful between a newly wedded couple, and Anshuman Khurana did a justice. And this, the song, but especially this song, was composed by Anu Malik, and again sung by Papon. And today we heard that in the voice of Makarand. So thank you, Makarand, for selecting both the songs, and thanks for the round 2. And we'll come back to you in round 3. And let's move on to Nihar. Nihar, welcome back. So before we listen to your first song, so tell us, how do you cure? Zukam kaise cure karte hain aap?
Nice one. So, other than music, I often play cricket. I used to also cook. Not chef like Didi or Markan Bhai, but I also sometimes cook at home, like tea or coffee also I can make.
Okay.
And also I go out and connect with people and with the community. Like we have so many good community here in New Jersey. And but music has my biggest passion. Other than playing cricket, and I play many sports, not just cricket. I play tennis, I play pickleball, many other sports. Yeah.
Busy. You're a busy man.
Yeah, I used to be very busy, and I like to be busy actually, honestly.
That's true. It's always good to be busy. So, you had a formal training in music, or how is it like?
No, by God's grace, whatever I have, it's all God willing, and I mean, I didn't take any training so far.
That means you got good ears, like
Yeah.
सुन के गा सकते हैं. I think that itself is a art. Very nice. So let's hear your first song in the round 1 then.
Sure. Thank you. La 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 la. ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। फूलों में कलियों में सपनों की गलियों में, फूलों में कलियों में सपनों की गलियों में, तेरे बिना कुछ कहीं ना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। ओ साथी रे, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। हर धड़कन में प्यास है तेरी, सांसों में तेरी खुशबू है। इसी धरती से उस अंबर तक मेरी नजर में तू ही तू है। प्यार ये टूटे ना, प्यार ये टूटे ना, तू मुझसे रूठे ना, साथ ये छूटे कभी ना। तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना ओ साथी रे, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। तुझ बिन जोगन मेरी रातें, तुझ बिन मेरे दिन बन जा रे। मेरा जीवन जलती धूनी, बुझे बुझे मेरे सपने सारे। तेरे बिना मेरी, तेरे बिना मेरी, मेरे बिना तेरी, ये जिंदगी जिंदगी ना। तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना ओ साथी रे, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना।
Talia. Very nice, very nicely done.
Thank
Nikhil.
you.
Very soulful singing of this very beautiful composition by Kalyanji Anandji from movie Muqaddar Ka Sikandar. India wala, Pakistan wala nahi hai. Because there's also Muqaddar the Sikandar made by our Amsai Pakistanis too. I think in 1980, sometime in 1980s. But this one is from 1978, starring all the multi-starrer movie Amitabh Bachchan, Vinod Khanna, Rakhi, Rekha, Vinod Mehra, and so on. So I think this song is picturized on Amit ji and Rakhi. So again, wonderful composition and sung by Kishore ji. I think there's an Asha Bhosle's version also, and very, very nicely done. And thanks for this beautiful selection. I think it's in again Rag Shivranjani, if I'm not mistaken, because it has that Mere Naina Savan Bado kind of touch to this song. So with that, let's move on to the second song of Nihar. But before that, Nihar, what do you want to talk about Men's Day, like International Men's Day? Anything you want to add? Anything you felt proud doing the right thing? You feel like, okay, I did this right thing, and you felt proud.
Yeah. So so whenever I make my daughters happy, I feel honestly very proud. And even On top of that, if she feels even proud about me, then it will be more even prouder moment. So yeah, and also whenever I go out and help people without any selfishness, I would say, or any unintentional, there is no reason about it, just give something to the poor people, or so that would always be my proud moment.
Wonderful, wonderful. Keep doing it. That's very much needed.
Thank you.
In the current world. Okay, so let's move on to your second song in this round.
Sure. Thank you.
आने से उसके आए बहार, जाने से उसके जाए बहार, बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। आने से उसके आए बहार, जाने से उसके जाए बहार, बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। किसी घटा को मैं तो उसकी आँखों का काजल कहूँगा, इसी हवा को मैं तो उसका लहराता चल कहूँगा। कलियों का बचपन है, फूलों की जवानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। बीत जाते हैं दिन, कट जाती है आँखों में रातें, हम न जाने क्या क्या करते रहते हैं आपस में बातें। मैं थोड़ा दीवाना, थोड़ी सी दीवानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। सामने में सबके नाम उसका नहीं ले सकूंगा। वो शर्म के मारे रुठ जाए तो मैं क्या करूंगा। फूरन की मल्लिका है, परियों की रानी है, मेरी महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है, मेरी महबूबा बड़ी मस्तानी है, मेरी महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है, मेरी महबूबा।
Brilliant, awesome, beautiful, very, very nice.
Thank you.
Wonderful song by none other than Rafi Saab. A very, very beautiful composition by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. I think they got Best Music Director Award for this movie, Jeene Ki Raah, from 1969. This movie was again remade from a South Indian Telugu movie, Bratuku Terugu. For whatever reason, most of the remake movies has a lead actor in Hindi as Jitendra. I don't know why. So once again, this movie was remade from Telugu movie, and the lead actor is Jitendra, and besides him it was Tanuja. And this song was I think on Rag Kalyan. All the Shuddh Swars are this song is based on all the Shuddh notes of Rag Kalyan. So wonderfully done, Nihar. Very
Thank you.
beautiful selection. And I think that concludes round 2. So let's move on to round 3, and let's bring back our celebrity chef, Didi. So welcome back, Didi. I know you have a lot of good things, cooking and all that going on, but want to hear a little bit more, like, do you have any message on this Men's Day, especially for the future generations? Because world is, as I said, changing so rapidly, and the new generations, I don't know, Gen Z, Gen Alpha, whatever generations. So do you have any message for them?
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Srini. So yeah, most of us, I'm not sure how many of you, but we are belong to about Gen X, Gen X. One thing, Gen X has the flavor. We have seen the landline phone, we have seen the latest iPhone, right? But Gen Z, for them, everything is instant, everything is quick.
They have AI. Everything should be artificially intelligently done.
Artificially intelligent. If you notice, the younger generation tell, so I'm into a business of finance too. So I'll tell you one thing I noted, younger generations don't want to own anything. They don't want big homes. They don't want to own cars because Uber is there. They want to live life, what you call carefree. So they don't want to commit to marriage. So
Right.
I'll tell them one thing, right? Can I say in a share, in a
Sure, absolutely, sure.
जो बदल जाए वो यार कैसा,
Uh-huh.
जो बदल जाए वो यार कैसा, जो छोड़ जाए वो साथ कैसा,
Wow.
जो बदल जाए वो यार कैसा, जो छोड़ जाए वो साथ कैसा, सभी कहते हैं तुम्हें फिर से प्यार हो जाएगा, सभी कहते हैं तुम्हें फिर से प्यार हो जाएगा, जो फिर से हो जाए वो प्यार कैसा.
आहा. So प्यार तो एक ही दफा होता है, बार बार नहीं होता.
Absolutely. Right?
Right.
Thank you. So my message to everybody is that hang tight, have a friend who is for long, then you will see how to count your lives after that.
So believe in longevity, and then have a visionary on everything. Don't have this temporary, don't think for today, have that vision. That's what is missing in the current generation.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Wonderfully said. Thank you so much. So What is your this last song in this round?
This is very close to my heart. It's a medley. It's a medley of Rag Yaman. You know, Rag Yaman is a evening kind of mood, and this is a compiled and edited by Rahul and Ramesh. They did a very great job. It's four or five of them with only two antras. I would say listen to the words and the transition what he's doing from one song to the other song. That's what I would request.
Sure, go for it.
Thank you.
नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, घर याद रहे नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, घर याद रहे। कुछ पाकर पाना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होगी मैं भी, तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होगी मैं भी, नजर आओ या न आओ तेरे पास होगी मैं भी, तू कहीं भी जा रहेगा तेरा साया साथ होगा, तू जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया। मैं पलकन डगर गुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निरारूंगा, मैं पलकन डगर गुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा, मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना।
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, really.
Wonderful, wonderful, Didi. You made this last round so special by your impressive selection of songs. तो मैं इतना कहता चलूं कि आपका नाम भी याद रहेगा, आपका चेहरा भी याद रहेगा, आपकी आवाज भी याद रहेगी. So very nice. God bless. You really, really touched upon the wonderful, iconic songs of Bollywood music, and you did very nicely and justice to it. Thank you so much. We'll definitely come back to you once the other two singers are done and have some closing commentary with you. So stay
Shani,
tight.
I want to use a minute here. I want to say, I know you personally, but I want to say the way you've been, like Tusharji mentioned, you are doing an excellent job. You have so much of music knowledge and so much of, compassionate and the slow way you explain things. Hats off to you. Thank you so much, friend.
Thank you so much, Didi. Okay, let's move on to Makarand. Makarand. So, Makarand का मतलब
Makarand is actually Parakand, but like Bunga, I mean it goes into the flower and
okay, so it's Bhavra. Bhavra?
Bhavara.
Bhavra. Okay.
फूलों में जाकर it will bring that Parakand.
अच्छा. Very nice, very nice.
I
तो
think
आप
it's
लोगों के
Telugu people should know, I think, that meaning.
yeah, I just want a lot of people because we don't hear this kind of names that often, so I wanted audiences to understand from you. And yeah, very nice. So आप भी जैसे भवरा फूलों के अंदर जाके वो रस, अद्भुत रस उसमें से निकालता है, तो आप भी लोगों के दिलों में जाके आप अपनी मेडिटेशन की, ध्यान और आध्यात्मिक शक्ति से, अपनी म्यूजिक की टैलेंट से आप लोगों के दिलों में भी जाके शायद ऐसी जगह बनाते होंगे और आज बना रहे हैं. तो इसी के साथ लेट्स लिसन टू योर this song. But before moving to your song, as I asked Didi, so what is your message for this upcoming new generation boys?
So जैसा डीडी भाई ने कहा कि आप
You can come closer to the mic, please.
डीडी भाई ने कहा कि आप बहुत खूबसूरत इसे एंकरिंग कर रहे हैं और उसका एक नमूना आपने अभी दिया. आई रियली एम ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल टू यू.
Thank you.
तो मेरा मैसेज डीडी भाई के ही इस पर it goes on the same lines. Nowadays social media, internet contents and all, it's like too much, youth are like too much into it. But my message is also the same. You have to find at this age the friends which can last longer, where you can call at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the morning and say that, oh, I'm feeling some, heaviness, or I'm feeling some down. So can you, come and talk to me? So you have to build up those relationships, finding those friends, and start finding when you are young at this age.
That's very, very important. Other than your family, having a very reliable and honest and long-lasting friendship is very important for you to stay strong and stand up on your feet all the time. Because a friend is the one who, if you're falling, he will come and he'll make sure that you stand up on your feet. Wonderfully said. Very nice. With that, let's listen to this third round song. What you have?
So this song also is from the old movie Hum Hai Bhai Pyar Ke, the Kishore Kumar song. It's not that there is a movie also after that on this thing, but this is from the Devanand's time. Srini bhai, should I wait or should go?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
हम उसी के होइए, हम उसी के होइए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए। दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल, दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल, हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरोए, हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरोए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए, हम उसी के होइए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए। धूप थी नसीब में, धूप में लिया दम, धूप थी नसीब में, धूप में लिया दम, चांदनी मिली तो हम चांदनी में सोइए, चांदनी मिली तो हम चांदनी में सोइए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए, हम उसी के होइए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए। दिल पे आसरा किए, हम तो बस यूं ही किए, दिल पे आसरा किए, हम तो बस यूं ही किए, एक कदम पे हंसी, एक कदम पे रोइए, एक कदम पे हंसी, एक कदम पे रोइए, हम उसी के होइए, हम उसी के होइए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए। राह में पड़े हैं हम तब से आपकी कसम, राह में पड़े हैं हम तब से आपकी कसम, देखिए तो कम से कम बोलिए न देखिए तो कम से कम बोलिए न बोलिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के होइए, हम उसी के होइए, हम है राही प्यार की, हमसे कुछ न भूलिए। Thank you.
Nice. Very, very playful song. Uh, very simple, but so playful. I think those are the characteristics of Rag Khafi. So this song is based on Rag Khafi from आज तो मकरंद ने सभी का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया. He went back all the way to 50s. So this movie from 1957, Now Do Gyara, picturized on Devanand and Shashikala. So everything, his brother Vijayanand, director, written by, production, everything is Vijayanand, and starring Devanand and Shashikala. The song again was sung by again Kishorda and composed by S.D. Burman. Wonderfully done, very playful, equally playfully you sang, Makarand. Thank you so much for presenting this almost like what say more than almost close to 70 years or 70 plus years old song. It's really hats off to all those composers who still have given such beautiful songs that we still sing after 70 years. That's amazing. So I think that concludes Makarand's second round. Makarand, we'll come back to you for the closing comments. But before that, let's move on to our cricketer, singer, Nihar.
Thank you.
Okay, Nihar. So before you present your melodious song one more, I believe. So what is your message for the young boys, new generations?
Yeah, I think there could be many, but I would like to say just always be a normal person, do always right thing, or good thing, because your the good karma, right, or right karma will always go with you, nothing else. So that would be my short and crispy message.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, like you may have to elaborate that when you really talk to people, younger generations, because they may not immediately understand karmas, but it's like deeds, like what you do is what you get, right? So I think always do good things, and your path always will be good. So it's in simple words. Yeah, that's a very good one. I think it's applicable to everybody. Even yesteryear's people who are still having issues, or if they still are not understanding the beauty of life or the practicality of life, I think this is a message for everybody across the board, that do good, think good, and everything will be good around you. That very nicely said. So yeah, what's in this round?
So this is from Ashiki 2. Anyways, I've got a nasal congestion and throat congestion, as you know, so I'll try my best.
So Makarand took us to 1957. You are immediately rushing us back into 50, 60 years.
Yes,
that's
right.
That's good. We hear that. Go ahead.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो। तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
Thank you so much.
Very nice. Thanks a lot. So usually, most of the music events end with Rag Bhairavi. I think this song is pretty much based on Rag Bhairavi, and then he has chose this song. That's definitely it was all fell in place properly. So again, from movie Ashiki 2 from 2013. Singer Arijit Singh. I think the both music composition and the lyrics were written both by composition and lyrics by Mithun, and the movie was picturized on Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor, and one of the really Ashiki kind of style movie, the modern Ashiki. Very nicely done, Nihar, with so much of emotions in the song. A very difficult song. You did a lot of justice to it. Thank you so much. So that brings us to the end of these 3 rounds. Waqt ka pata hi nahi chala. But it was so nice. I mean, it's like we've been together almost like close to 2 hours, but we've been like here for 2 hours. So before we get the thank you comments from everybody, Tushar bhai, do you want to say anything?
I think Tushar bhai was saying that he's not able to
Oh, so
speak or something. That's why he want to be quiet today.
awesome. So no worries, no worries. So let's come back, Didi. So did you have any closing comments before we end the show today?
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much for your great hosting, Srini. I know we did talk about my job hobby or something. I live in Montgomery Township, which comes under Somerset County. One thing I learned is give back to society, right? So in last 4 years or 4.5, 5 years back, I started being in the committees of the township. I served in the zoning board as a director, and I was in a county's water commission board. So right now I'm into the license appeal board. But what I say is, most of our friends, let's get back into the main track and give back something to the town. Whoever is here, I know we came as an immigrant, but we are not anymore as an immigrant, right? So that's one thing. And for fathers, like we were talking about, you said that men were underrated. एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है, अगर आप मौका दिए तो 30 सेकंड्स का एक शेर है.
Sure.
Yeah. तो जेब काली है फिर भी मना करते नहीं देखा. जेब काली है फिर भी मना करते नहीं देखा, मैंने पापा से अमीर इंसान जिंदगी में नहीं देखा. Thank you.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, Tusharji. Really appreciate for you doing this every week. And Shri, I know you do a lot of these sessions. Of course, you are a music lover, no questions on that. I saw your studio at your house, amazing, great. So thanks so much for having me on this platform and podium for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Didi. Thanks. Meeting you again online and knowing more about you. Hope we'll cross our paths again. Of course, music, small world, will definitely come back. But thanks for all your beautiful singing, beautiful shairi, and beautiful commentary about all the topics which you shared. And hopefully one day we'll get to eat your Italian best
Sure.
dish.
I owe you one.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. So let's move on to Makarand.
Yeah, I would also like to thank
You can
Tushar.
closer to the mic, please.
Oh, sorry. I would also like to thank Tushar Bhai and Shrini and most important my these colleagues, fellow singers. It was a wonderful evening for me. This is the first time I'm coming to this platform, but giving an opportunity and very good talented people here around. I really, don't have any message or anything for today's evening, but I would like just one thing to conclude with is like keep singing, keep spreading this joyous and happy vibe. Anyway, Thanksgiving is at the door, at the corner. So music really feels like it crosses boundaries, it crosses everything. I mean, it brings you together, it brings you very near to the heart. So that is what keep doing it, Tushar bhai and Srini, keep doing it. It's wonderful program. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. So what Makarand is saying is music is a healer. And that's the therapy Dr. Tushar has been using. And today, 294th time, he's using that therapy because it's a healer. So thank you, Tushar bhai, for all this you're doing for 294 episodes. It takes a village to do one show, and you're at 294. So hats off to you. God bless. Hope you continue, and we'll see 2094 episodes soon. So with that, let's move on to Nihar.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, Dr. Tusarji, for giving an opportunity here. And thank you so much, everyone who joined from Facebook and from Zoom itself, right? So your presence means the world to us. And music is not just a sound, I would say. It connects the souls. And yeah, thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, nice. Thanks, Nihar, for a very beautiful and soulful singing, wonderful selections.
Thank you so
very,
much.
very with sincerity and emotions you have sung today's songs. I really enjoyed all your singing. So Tushar bhai, I don't know if your mic is still muted or working.
Thank you so much, Rini, for hosting one more time. You need to come back as a singer now with your daughter again soon, hopefully. But thank you, everyone, Makarand, Nihar, and Didi for joining 294th episode. We are only 5 shy away from our milestone 300 episode on January 2nd. I'm so thankful to more than 500 singers who came on our platform and sung more than 4,000 songs. So Srini, you are part of that, and all other singers are part of that. Thank you for all support from everyone, including the viewers as well as all the singers, musicians from across the globe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tushar bhai. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Yes, it's just the timing. I mean, I have too many things going on. So as and when I get chance, I do come back to the show. Actually, I was in my Friday Bhakti Shakti until 6 to 7 in the temple. I rushed here and came back by 7:30, and I'm on this show. So hope God will give this energy to continue doing this again and again. I love doing this. Hopefully I'll be back, but thanks once again for keep remembering me and asking me to come back. That really helps. So जाने से पहले, once again, since we started this program with a topic of International Men's Day, I just want to give a message to all the men out there that please take care of your personal life. Please take care of your emotional well-being. That is very important. We all rock. We all think we are strong, but we are still, end of the day, human beings, and we also need that emotional carers. So please take care of yourself. And for all the viewers, thank you for watching this show. Thanks for coming back. जाने से पहले एक छोटा शेयर। वक्त था कोई रोक नहीं सकता, खुशी के लम्हों को कोई रोक नहीं सकता, वक्त की रफ्तार कोई रोक नहीं सकता, खुशी के लम्हों को कोई रोक नहीं सकता। तो आज में जिले पूरे दिल से, तो आज में जिले पूरे दिल से, क्योंकि कल का वादा कोई कर नहीं सकता। So with that, Shubha Khair, Shubhratri, and have a good night. Thank you so much.
Thank
Talk
you.
to you later.
Good night, everyone.
Thank